Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to add highlights to Instagram without posting on story. Yeah, it has a trick or a hack on this one. Now you need to follow my steps. Firstly, go launch the application. Then what you need to do, just simply go and tap on the three dots icon on your right upper side. Then select the first selection that says settings. After that, you need just to go for privacy section, the fourth selection, and then you need to scroll down and looking for the story section. Click on the story section, and on the first side you have hide story from. As you can see here, it is for 0 people. Click on that. Here you need to tap on every single person that has followed you on this account, and right after that get back, and here you need to go for the plus icon on your right side, then tap on the third selection, the storage site, and go for camera, add a story, for example this one, go share. Now you'll need to wait, go done, and if we go right now with adding it to our highlights, just tap on the story and the third selection is highlight, click on it, create a new highlight, go for this one, view on your profile. Now if we get a scrolling up, just take refresh, and here as you can see the highlight has been added. But for our security we need just to get back to our previous method, go on the settings side, then for privacy, right after that being able to choose story side, and then I will need to unselect all these sides from hiding story from, get back. And now guys, with this you know how to add highlights to Instagram without posting on story. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.